Yeah. As per request, man, kwala Giyani College, kwala Giyani College. Um, yeah, just to see for the improvements, the other Shinjan, because we want to request in Master T, like one of the updates in Jan, Giyani College. So Nuguala. Just to see the improvements. The other Shinjan, hopefully, the Kotokan again, I don't know. I don't know. Mara, I wish in Kotokan again and update a Landin. Yeah, the funny negotiate and talk to this. Yeah, because the common I got a busy blind inside and stuff like that. So that he only is one way figure like the interest. Let me wanna go on our right. Go. Not catching this up. My colleague. I forgot this one because not landed the even on the left here. So shit clear. Munduka shovel land the Kanda Fanaqua. And go to busy. We construction near the apartments. When I was calling about some so we shall see, guys. We shall see. Yeah, look say figure la. Got the interest and stuff like that. So as you can see, how you figure interest linga la. More full in the inside and see what's happening and stuff like that. So here's the area. Yeah, is the interest of Gomo busy blind. My show busy too much. Yeah. So here's the area. I got busy. Still very busy. As you can see. So we shall see. A lot around the no gonna get that interest. Kuna yung one I'm not going to have in the subway. Yeah, so yes, the entrance na bodo iko so after serious. After serious na bodo we can see it. It's good. Yeah. Guys, I shall to pay na so gonna to pay na la very good an appointment so I should simply ngena la in an the manager nga kon anta negotiate na so shale go ana mukomokan ko to gena and access tani jimi to kushinde sa construction leswo ka shinde so unfortunately we don't know the state so with the opening zamene guys ntata yo opening. So the only thing I can show you go kwala handle ntsena tani swi nga mukomba na bodo ntsena la ku yi kona so leswin'wana a swi kona. Leswin'wana swi kona ni ngo zama tlhela va ni mukomba yana kwala handle ntsena hikuva loko ti komba ku na progress yo karhi ntsena. Yeah, so swi tikomba na ku maybe swi nga tirhi but unfortunately I'm sure and then I'm also come start here last just the and go to one confirm and then like how's the progress and stuff like that. Unfortunately I wish I could enter inside. I wish. So I don't want to need live single corner and stuff like that. So it's sungurin so kono ko mo base mara na fence ya shota yana ka fika ka endo na fence. Yeah, so shala kuna vana ani undercover so fika va undercover as the so ngo hela la kwala ma the building to komo ka re leta khale we feature ta zama ko ni izumenya na to komo ka re building ta nyana ta khale wala ta red le ni vona ka ha ri to lona kan chetisana. So maybe we can assume or maybe nga tirha ta khale mara mi kuma ku tirhisiwa what we call renaming the buildings ku na ta red and then now ki cheka ela masungule. So maybe I suspect or maybe va nga fika va considera mhaka yo va ku va the rename ku nene instead loko a ni swilo swa koteka mi kuma ku it's possible you can paint something mavona wa swi kota ku i penta something i xi cinca xi va another color. Taxi ta wena hlopana to tala ni famba this long without the taxi, so it's possible we can basically just try to rename it and then I'm going to go maro ko kuma aka har ka nar go vi ki check because kuna xi container le ndeni xi komba a xa ha ri kahle nyana ako va that bed you see. Yeah, so the other area is this side. So in Google, like the only thing you can say it's missing, go fence the other side, no very go clean obviously. This line obviously this whole entire side. People come to the cleanups. But I'm just saying, I'm just saying, you understand? So I'm a real one. I can give you this. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. You see, so hi. The one, the only thing it means in that an update of the whole thing. And access ane loko zokuva ku pfuriwa kota ku va a visit ka security, so lavia ka hari construction, so it's not possible like va hi accepta hina ti-visitors, you see. Nzameni la ku ri na lowo construction a ala even ya side lerin'wana la a ku ri na security, so security lava indicate ku ri it's not possible. And swa twisiseka phela point leyi vona a va na mpfumelelo wa swona because ani mafoko na swa politiki hambiloko kana ni ku ani vuli ka politiki yo karhi, still they can that can still work as a defense. Or what if he won't this one, you see. So that's it. So it's okay, you see. So listen, I point leyi tirhisiwa ku yaleyo ku what if mukuma ku maybe no la ka political party yo karhi no la ku bvonya ku swi ndisa swa ti-politics mukuma ku hi xitalo ku bvonyiwa swilo swi normal ani it's all about getting votes. It's all about getting votes, I understand. Na sweswo ku sa hina taxi a doesn't famba ni fika Giyani la I understand. Ani taxi leyi yi hamba yi ta hala kahle a yi ta general a yi ku yi ta Giyani college hikuva ku na vanhu, swi ma hlamala ku se khale nyana kha ni famba la swo kahle mi ni fike ni yimela taxi yo ta hi le kwihi kambe ku le dan'wini le sayiti ra hala dan'wini hala vo Makoxa ni fike ni yimela taxi ya Makoxa leyi kalaka compared to leyi ya la Giyani ya kala compared to ya la Giyani yo ta la section. I understand why. So le tala ku fanele ti leti a ti tala because a ti ta ti mi ti teka vana va xikolo a Giyani ti va tisa la hi xitalo na vatirhi. So kona ku komba ku ri busy loko hi kha hi langutisa darati leyi komba yi kha yi lava ku cinciwa. Unfortunately update ya kona hi yaleyo ntsena yo kona ku busy mi swi vona ku busy nyana la no ni nga tivi ndeni loko ti-building ni vona ku ka ha ri the same ones, ni vona ku ka ha ri the same ones. So kona ku pfulapfuriwini lamakumu ku pfulapfuriwini lamakumu. So hi leswo guys, a ka ha na yin'wana update other than that one. So ni ngo vula tani ka ha na yin'wana update other than that one. So ni ngo vula tani ku ku loko ku ri maybe mi nga subscribe ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe. Laha ni ndlela ngo vana va xikolo lava huma laha ni vana va xikolo swi pfumeleri ku munhu a huma laha without permission. So ku na lun'wana a hindza from my back, so a ni vhika yena laha. So hi leswo guys, hi leswo.